me, and behind me is the 3rd Gen Raptor with the AWE exhaust system installed. In this video, we have a ton of sound clips for you, but before we get into that, I want to give you a quick overview of the system so you can make sense of what you're about to hear. Of course, you're welcome to skip ahead to those sound clips, but if you want to get a little more in depth, stick with me and I'll show you what it's all about. Beginning at the inlet of the AWE system, it picks up after the factory emissions and after the factory loop pipe. It goes straight into a specifically designed X pipe to cut down on the rasp that can be found in these EcoBoost engines and keep things nice and smooth. Up next is the Bespoke SwitchPath muffler. This allows you to get 2 sound tracks in one. Simply open the valve at the back of the muffler for those deep and rowdy tones, but when you need to calm things down, you can still close that valve, which works seamlessly off your factory functionality. Continuing up and over the axle is more 3-inch T304L stainless that continues through a bullet-style resonator on each side to keep those tones nice and deep. And then we finish it off with dual 5-inch double-walled and straight-cut tips available in chrome silver or diamond black. So without further ado, here's how it sounds. We hope you liked what you heard, and if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.